Good morning. Drew here with Dyke Services again. We're in Edgewater this morning, and today we are working on a pool deck and enclosure cleaning, a fence cleaning, including hard water stain removal. So you see we've got some pretty bad hard water stains built up on the vinyl fence there, and basically the pool deck and enclosure will go around, we'll pre-water all the plants and landscaping and make sure we protect those before we start to spray the juice. After we do that, we'll come in and lightly apply the pre-treatment mixture onto the surfaces, let that dwell, and then we'll come back and rinse everything clean with clean water, rinsing down the plants again to make sure we don't kill anything. Now on the fence, first thing you want to do is remove the organic growth. So we go around, do the same process as we would for a house, pool enclosure, anything of that nature on the fence, and we remove all the organics first. After we remove the organics, we come back with a separate product and process, and we spray that onto the hard water stains. Sometimes they might need a little bit of brushing if it's built up pretty bad, but that will bring all of this nice and clean again. There will be no orange, no green, and it'll be sparkling clean. Join the wave.